go. So guys, today's video is going to be a little different than the ones that I normally do. I usually do a shopping haul, but today I decided I was going to do a little lookbook to show you guys. It's kind of like a show and tell. I want to show off my new handbag that I got. And the lookbook will just kind of show you different ways you can wear it and basically how I style it. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you keep watching. So the company Teddy Blake, they reached out to me and they wanted to send me a handbag to review, and in exchange for my honest opinion. And you guys know I keep it straight, no chase on here. I'm not gonna BS y'all and tell y'all I love something if I don't. So let me just tell you guys about the bag that I purchased, give you the little specs on it, and you guys could decide for yourself if it's something that you would be interested in. And initially, I was gonna get a big handbag, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna get a small handbag because y'all know small handbags are in. And the bag that I got is the Eva 11. I got it in the color taupe. So this is the bag. Oh, my lighting is about to kill me. But anyway, this is the color taupe. I think this is dark taupe. All the information for this bag will be in the description box down below. Don't take my word for it. So, so the dope thing about this bag that I like straight up is the whole design. I like that it's so small, but it's so detailed. It's all the details you'll get in a large handbag, and it's compact. So it's 100% leather. It has this little, it comes with a lock and key, as you see here. I put the lock here. Actually, let me take the lock off so you guys can see how it really goes. I don't wear it this way because I feel like it's too much to be doing just to get into your purse. Like, anybody got time for that? But in case you do have time for that, this is how it comes, right? So this is the little where the key is held, and you could put the lock here and lock your bag. But like I said, I ain't got time for that. If you do, by all means. So the way I wear it is I take this off and I just kind of, because these flip out, and I just snap this in and I wear it like this. I think this is really cute. You could also wear it with the lock on if you choose to do so as well. It's really your own. You know, you could really make this bag your own. Wear it however you want. I also bought some scarves to personalize the bag because that's another thing that I'm kind of into. So you could take like a regular scarf and you can wrap it around the handle. So the way you'll do that is you want to tie a little knot right here, and then you just want to take the scarf and then just wrap it. And you're going to just bring it all around. And then when you get to the other end, you'll tie a little knot there. And now your bag is a little bit more jazzed up and personalized. So there's a lot of different things you could do. You could get different colors. This is just one particular color I got, but I did get some other colors. So I'll probably switch the scarves out to match my outfit. So let me quickly show you guys what's on, how big the inside of the bag is. And I haven't worn it yet because I wanted to show it to you guys first before I wear it. So it does come with a dust bag, which is really good because for all my designer bags, I always keep them in a dust bag. It helps it to maintain its cleanliness and, you know, just keep it from getting dusty and ruined. And this is the inside of the bag. The inside is really nice. It's a really good quality. As you guys can see, it's like a soft suede in there. The flap, it says Teddy Blake, as well as on the gold hardware right here, it says Teddy Blake, made in Italy. So this is 100% Italian leather. One thing about this bag is, from what I gathered, it seemed to be Hermes inspired. So first I was a little apprehensive about it because I don't wear knockoffs, but it's not a knockoff because it is labeled as Teddy Blake. It's not like they're trying to sell you an Hermes bag. And let's be honest, the average person can't afford an Hermes bag, which start at about $10,000. I know I can't. So if you can, by all means, do you, boo. But for those of us who can't, then it's okay to get something that's more like a dupe. If you wear ZARA, you wear dupes. If you wear BB or anything like that, they're dupes. Most of the stores nowadays are dupes of original designers, but this is more like a higher quality. This is 100% leather. It's not a cheap leather. It feels pretty solid. The only thing that I don't really like is this strap. The strap feels like it could have been a little bit more thicker, in my opinion. Also, there's gold feet on the bottom, so it's really solid. However, everything else is pretty good to me. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing this bag or learning more about the bag, visit teddyblake.com. They have so many different styles and colors to suit just about anybody. So as I mentioned, all the information will be in the description box down below. And stay tuned for my lookbook to show you different ways on how I choose to style this. Oh wait, actually let me stop this. Before we get to this lookbook, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and do that. You know I gotta do my shameless plug every video. My name on Instagram is the same as my YouTube, Faithfully Asia. Yeah, okay. Back to your regularly scheduled program. As always, you know I love talking to you guys, so if you have any questions about this bag or anything else, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Oh, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, okay? And if you are subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell because you know YouTube is slacking on sending out those notifications. So if you're interested in seeing my videos, make sure that you hit that notification bell as well. Okay, I'm told I need to wrap it up. So I'm going to wrap this up. Deuces.
You look bomb as f*** and they know it.